Hello everyone, welcome to part 74 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will start working on the add to cart functionality via Ajax, and in this part we are going to create the cards table collection, in fact, okay, cards collection, and we will also make the add to cart form. Okay, so these things we are going to follow in this part, and we are going to follow this particular see, you can find under video. These steps are given under video that we are going to follow right now. Okay, so let's start. So first thing is that we are going to create the cards collection as well as the model. Card collection we are going to create with these columns: id, session id, user id, product id, product size, product quantity, credit and update. And here we are going to make the form is already there, but we are going to modify the form with add to cart feature. Okay, so that the user can able to select the site and can able to add the product in his cart. Okay, so what will happen, the we will make the cards collection here, and here the user can able to add the products into his cart. Okay, in that cards collection user we can able to find those products. Okay, so first we are going to resolve one issue. Here you can see the no stock left is coming in both products, whether it is red or you can check the blue product as well, in which also it's written no stock left. So because here you can find in the products collection, products attributes collection, in fact, stock is in string, so that's why this issue is coming. Like if you will double click here, you can find this is in string, so that is the issue. So sometime it happens, so we need to update or add any product in admin panel. I'm going to log in into the admin panel, and here I'm going to show you the product attributes. We can click on the products, we can go to the products module, and here after going inside this blue t-shirt, you can able to find these sizes. Okay, so here whenever we will add or update the stock, okay, so it needs to be added in int form. Okay, in int, not in string but in int. So we can able to do this. Like I am going to open the product controller at admin, and we'll open the add edit product, and we'll find where we are adding or updating the stock. Here, from here we are adding or updating the stock. So just the thing that I'm going to add here, I'm going to add here the int, so that it will convert it to the int. Okay, and also in case of update as well, I'm going to update it to int as well. So this is the only thing that we are required to do. So now I'm going to update both the products just once, so that it will get converted to int. Okay, so for red t-shirt as well, we are going to update the product, and this one as well we are going to update. And now I'm going to see the correct number must come. I'm going to refresh and we'll see, and here you can see the 50 in stock. Okay, so it's coming correctly now. Okay, and also we can check for the red t-shirt, the correct number must come here as well, and you can see it's coming fine, 30 in stock. So both are working fine now. Okay, so we can move further now, making the collection. Like I have told that we are going to create the cards collection, so that the user can able to insert here its collection in that card. Okay, sorry, the products in that card, selected products in that card. Okay, so we are going to run this command that will create the migration file as well as the model. Okay, so I'm going to run this command. Will run now the new php artisan serve command we need to run. So this is, where is my folder, this is, right click, services, new terminal folder, and here I'm going to run this command. So it will create the model as well as the migration file. You can see it has been created. Okay, so in card model we just need to replace the class with the MongoDB class. Okay, we will use this class, and we're going to use this one here, and after that we will add this one in create card table migration. Okay, create card table. Okay, this one here, and we are going to replace it with this one. All these columns were required to create in this cards collection. Okay, so finally we are going to run the php artisan migrate command so that this collection gets created. So yes, it has been done. We are going to check in our MongoDB here in project 11 database. Here I'm going to refresh this one, and we'll see if the cards collection has been created. Yes, it has been created, cards collection. Okay, so now we will continue with the other steps, and now we are going to modify the form in detail blade file. So let's open the detail blade file, and here we are going to search for this form. I'm going to search like this. Okay, there is a form in our detail blade file in which we are going to select the size from the user, and we'll also send the product ID as a hidden field. So here I'm going to add the name and ID of this form as add to cart. Okay, and we'll also see action. There is no action, just JavaScript. Okay, we will just will put like JavaScript colon semicolon. Okay, so that it will not go so that it will not go any other page. Okay, because we are going to call the submit function via Ajax. Okay, so that's why. And here we are required to add this input type field for the product ID that we are required to pass as well. And also we need to check once the size field. Here we need to send the ID, name, product ID, ID, name, product ID. Okay, and value class is get price, and see everything is fine. And here finally we will check the quantity field as well. Here is the quantity field. We are going to give its name as quantity QTY. Okay, like this. Okay, so rest everything seems to be fine. So we are going to add this add to cart jQuery function in custom.js file. So I am going to add it in custom.js file located at front, and now I'm going to add it here like this. And after that I'm going to create its route as well, add to cart route in web.php file. This new route we are going to create after this one. Okay, so this one we have created. And also see, we need to modify the earlier route as well. See, we have missed to update the earlier route, so that one also just the function we are required to update. This one we need to modify like this. Okay, so now after this we need to create the add to cart function at the product controller, and we are going to debug this, that the actual values are coming there or not. Okay, so we are going to check now that we am going to open the console here in inspect, and we are going to check the console here, and I'm going to refresh it once. After that we are going to try to add it. Okay, so let's see. So right now we are not adding, but just we are debugging that everything is coming fine there. Okay, so I will just select the size and quantity as 1. Now I will click on add to cart. Okay, so let's see if any so error has come. So we need to see why this error has come. We need to resolve, and here you can see the call to undefined method add to cart. So it is saying that this method does not exist. Okay, though we have already created this method, we need to see why it is saying this thing. Okay, so we need to see add to cart. Everything seems to be perfect or not. Product front controller is there at the top, that is fine as well. And add to cart, we need to check call to undefined method, controllers front product controller, call to undefined method add to cart. Here we have already saved it. Just check the file. Sorry, we have created it in admin, so we need to open the front. Okay, this product controller at the front, so that's where this error is coming. So I need to put it here after this one. Sorry, I need to copy once again, and we'll put it here. Now we are going to check once again. Okay, so let's refresh it. So we will try once again. I will just clear it, and we'll select the small size. We'll click once again. Okay, so now I'm going to click on add to cart. Still it is still loading, page is still loading, so that's why it is taking so much time, and now it's fine. So I'm going to click on add to cart now, and you can see it's coming fine. Product ID is this one, size is this one, and quantity is one. Okay, so I'm going to select the medium right now, and I will make the quantity as 2. Click on add to cart. Now you can see the product ID is this one, and size this time is medium, and quantity this time is 2. So the data is coming correctly. So we will continue in the next part as well, in which we are going to fill up our cards collection with these products, okay, that the user added to his card. So we will continue with this one in the next part as well, so stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.